Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'm good. I'm pretty good right now. So, before we start our activity, we have to say Basmala together. So, 1, 2, 3. Before we start an activity, we have to say Basmala. Before we start an activity, we have to say Basmala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have to say Basmala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have to say Basmala. Alright guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will give you like a material about grammar. Do you know what is grammar before? Grammar is really important for your writing, your speaking. Actually, it is really important. So I will start my activity. My material about grammar is like about simple present. Do you know what is simple present? Simple present is like daily activity. I mean like habits. What are you doing every day? What do you do every day? It is like cook, take a bath, and then eat, drink, sleep. This is about simple present. So what is the pattern means? Okay, I will give you the patterns. For the first pattern is positive pattern. In positive, you have subject. Subject, which is like I, you, they, we, she, he, and it. Sorry. This is about subject. I, you, they, we, she, it. It is subject. So after subject, we should add verb 1. What is verb 1 means? Verb 1. Verb is like in Indonesia about kata kerja. Seperti contoh memasak, terus makan, tidur. It is verb. For English is sleep, and then cook, and then eat. It is about verb. After verb 1, we have to add an object. An object is like I eat rice. This is object. And the negative pattern is subject. This is subject. Do or does. What is the meaning of do or does? Do or does here, you see, this is a subject. For do, for this is do. We have to add do in negative pattern, and then she, he eats, it is does. Do you understand this? Alright. After do or does, and then add verb 1, and then object. Okay? For interrogative, what is about interrogative? Interrogative, we should add for the first is do or does. Do or does. And then, oh, sorry. It is plus not. We have to add not because this is negative pattern. I'm so sorry. And after do or does, we have to add subject, verb 1, and an object. This is the pattern about simple present. So we have an example about simple present is speak. We use verb speak. Okay, it's like I speak English. I speak English. example about simple present. I speak English. It is for positive pattern, and then for negative pattern we use I don't speak English. I do plus not speak English. Are you understand? Do you understand, guys? Do plus not. I do not speak English. This is for negative pattern. And then what's about interrogative pattern means? Interrogative pattern. For the first, we use do. Do I speak English? And then interrogative. Do you get it? Alright. We try to first, you repeat it. I speak English. I don't speak English. Do I speak English? Okay, have a song like, we're gonna be like a song. It's like, I speak English. I don't speak English. Do I speak English? Okay. Try once again. I speak English. I don't speak English. Do I speak English? Like this. Are you understand? Okay. Repeat after me. For the first, I speak English. I don't speak English. Do I speak English?
Do I
Alright.
speak English?
Memorize tenses because it is really important in your life. So for the first, we gonna discuss about. We have discussed about simple present. So for the next material, we should discuss about simple present continuous. Simple present continuous for the positive pattern is subject. Do you remember the subject? I, you, them, you, see, it. This is the subject. After subject, to be. What is to be? To be, there are three. You see the subject. For the first, to be is I is am. I am. You, they, we is are. Then she, it is. It is to be. Am, are, is. Am, are, is. I use am. You, they, we use are. She, he, it use is. Do you get it? Okay. Next, after to be, we use verb in. What is verb in? Verb in, like we got example about it. It is verb one. Verb one is it. What about verb in? We add in the last sentence. Oh my god. In. Eating. What about drink? Drink. We add in. Drinking. What about speak? Speak plus in. Speaking. Eating, drinking, speaking. It is verb in. It's really simple, I think. So after verb in, we use object. It's like similar but not similar, but simple present, because we are not same because to be and working. For the negative pattern is subject to be plus not plus verb in and object. This is negative pattern of simple present continuous. Subject to be, not, verb in, and object. Okay, how about interrogative noun? Interrogative, for the first, we use to be. To be and then subject, verb in, plus object. You get it? To be, subject, verb in, and object. So we use example in for positive pattern is I am speaking English. Negative, I am not speaking English. For the interrogative is am I speaking English? So this is the pattern and the example. What is simple present continuous? I didn't explain before because I forgot, sorry guys. So simple present continuous is like the same, it's like not daily activity but activity that we do right now. I'm doing right now. For the example, I'm teaching. Right now I'm teaching. This is simple present continuous. And then right now I'm bringing the white. I'm touching a whiteboard. And then I'm talking right now. This is about simple present continuous. But we use example speaking. It's same for the first tenses. We use speak, and then we add in the last word. Speaking. I am speaking English. I'm not speaking English. Am I speaking English? Okay, we're gonna make a song for the first sentence. First tenses, I mean. Okay. I'm speaking English. I'm not speaking English. Am I speaking English? I'm speaking English. I'm not speaking English. Am I speaking English? Okay, repeat after me. I am speaking English.
I'm speaking
I'm
English.
not speaking English.
I'm not speaking English.
Am I speaking English?
Am I speaking
Okay.
English?
We try this for 3 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
I'm speaking English.
I'm not speaking English. Am I speaking English? Again. I'm speaking English. I'm not speaking English. Am I speaking English? Again. I'm speaking English. I'm not speaking English. Am I speaking English? Alright guys. Have learned about 2 tenses. For the first is simple present. Simple present. And present continuous. Simple present and present continuous. Who will give example about simple present, and you have you don't have to use speak for the verb. It's up to you. Okay? Who? Oh, I will call you for the first. This is Rona. Rona give example about simple present, and then Mira give example about present continuous. For the your text, it's okay. Alright. For the first one, simple present. For the pattern negative, positive, and interrogative. Okay, let's see. What is your verb? Eat.
Eat.
Rona's verb is eat. Eat. Okay.
I eat rice. I
Eat.
don't
I
eat rice. Do
eat
I eat rice?
rice. I eat rice. Then I don't eat rice. For the last, do I eat rice? It's nice, Rona. It's good. Well, you can make example about simple present. I eat rice. I don't eat rice. Do I eat rice? Good. Why Rona use eat rice? Because eat rice is like your habit, guys. Habit. Daily activity. You eat rice every day. Every day when you are hungry, you have to eat rice and then you feel full. Correct? Okay. Rona is correct. How about Mira? What is your example, Mira? What is your verb? Call.
Call.
Right, your verb is call. Call is call and the verb is. So what is your subject? Don't use I because Rona use I. What is your subject?
My subject
She.
is she.
Alright, she. She. What is to be? Is. Right. She is calling. She is calling
Me.
She is calling me. And then for the negative is she
She is not
is
calling
not calling me. For the
Me.
last Mira is
Is
She-
she calling me?
calling. That's true. You are understand really well, guys. She is calling me. She is not calling me. Is she calling me? That's real if she. There is she who is calling me for right now. She is calling me right now. Have you understand? Is she calling me? And she asks like, is she calling me right now? Yes, she is. No, she is not. That's the answer. Okay. Once time, I want you to sing for the first tenses and then the second tenses. We sing together, okay? Only one step. 1, 2, 3. I speak English. I don't speak English. Do I speak English? Simple present continuous. I am speaking English. I am not speaking English. Am I speaking English? Okay, really well. After this, you cannot see your book to memorize these two tenses. Okay, we move to 3 tenses. It is about simple past. Simple past. What is simple past? Simple past is activity that we have done before. I mean, like last night, yesterday. This is simple past. Past is yesterday. We have done some activity. For the positive pattern is subject, then verb 2. Okay, you met verb 1, verb in, and now you meet verb 2. What is verb 2? I'm really confused, miss. Alright guys, you have to memorize the verb in dictionary. You can look for that. Verb 2, I will give example for verb 2. Eat. Eat. This is verb 1. Eating. This is verb in. Yes. Then eaten. Eaten. This is verb 2. Sorry. This is verb 3, guys. Verb 2 is and. This is verb 2. How about call me? Call. This is verb 1. Calling. This is verb 2. Verb in, and then call. Called. This is verb 2. How about speak? Okay, speak. Speak. This is verb 1. Speaking. This is verb in, then spoke. This is verb 2. Eat, eating, ate. Call, calling, called. Speak, speaking, spoke. Are you understand it? I know you are confused about verb 2. That's why you have to memorize it, you have to learn, you have to read every day in your dictionary. Verb 2, after verb 2, we add an object. Subject, verb 2, and object. And then for negative is subject, did, plus not. We back to verb 1, then object. Okay, we back to verb 1 means. I don't know, that's a pattern. We have back to verb 1. After did, not, and then verb 1. So in the interrogative is did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Right, that's the pattern. subject, verb to object. Negative subject, did not, verb 1 and object. Interrogative, did, subject, verb 1 and object. For the simple past, you have to memorize because it's really like really not really difficult but confused. You will confuse when you find this in like writing test or in a reading or your test, your final test maybe, your examination. You will confused about this. You will be confused because after verb 2 you put verb 1 and interrogative you use verb 1. Only the positive pattern you use verb 2. Okay, we are going to the example. I spoke English. Negative, I did not spoke English. Interrogative, did I speak? No. Alright, I spoke English. I did not speak English. Did I speak English? This is the example for this tense is simple past. Repeat after me. I spoke English.
I spoke
I
English.
did not speak English.
I did not speak English. Did I speak English?
Usual, you have to try sing about 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. I spoke English.
English.
Did I speak English?
didn't speak
Did I
English.
speak
Did I
English?
speak
I
English?
spoke English.
I spoke English.
Did not speak English.
didn't
Did
speak
I
English.
speak
Did I
English? One
speak
time dance.
English?
I
I spoke English. I didn't speak English. Did I speak English?
Right. Today we gonna learn about the last tenses that we have to learn for today. It is simple past continuous. Simple past continuous. Did you remember the tenses after simple present? There is continuous after simple present continuous, and then right now simple past continuous. That's why it's gonna be it's gonna be similar like before, but here we different in to be. The to be is different. Simple past continuous, it's like we are doing something but in the past. I mean like yesterday for the example. I was drinking water yesterday in a restaurant. This is for example simple past continuous. Okay? We discuss about the pattern again. For the positive pattern is subject. As usual, subject always in front of sentences. Subject, then was or to be. To be, because continuous we have to add to be. Okay, we back to here. To be. For the subject to be I is was. I is was. And then should they we were. Should they we were. She it was. I use was. Should they we were. She it was. This is to be about simple past continuous. Alright, I'll move again here. Subject to be, was, and were, and then verb in, and last is object. For the negative pattern, for the first, as usual, is subject to be, and then not, because is negative, we use not, verb in, and object. So for the last is interrogative, to be, subject, verb in, and then object. Okay, this is the pattern. It is almost similar with simple present continuous, but the difference is to be. In the same simple present continuous, we use are, is, and am. Am is are, am are is. For the simple past continuous, we use was, were, and was. As usual, we gonna make an example with the verb is speak. I was speaking English. I was not speaking English. Interrogative is was I speaking English. Okay, did you understand, guys? Who is there for in the corner? Oh my god. Emily, what did you do there? Are you playing a phone? Oh my god. You save your phone in your bag, or I will take your phone and I will bring in my office. Alright? Save your phone in the bag right now. Okay guys, focus again. Don't be noisy. Don't be noisy. Don't play your phone when the teacher explaining the material. Do you get it, guys? Right. For the example today is I was speaking English. I was not speaking English. Was I speaking English? As usual, repeat after me. I was speaking English.
I
was not speaking English. Was I speaking English? Okay,
Was I
We
speaking
try
English?
it to sing for 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. I was speaking
I
English.
was
I
speaking
was not
English.
speaking
I
English.
was
Was
not
I
speaking
speaking
English.
English?
Was I
Okay.
speaking English?
Was
I was speaking English. I was not speaking English. Was I
Again,
speaking
guys.
English?
I
was speaking English. I was not speaking English. Was I speaking English?
Alright. It is the last tenses that we learn right now. Today I will give like question and answer. It is about 3 questions. Alright, for the first question. I want to Emily to answer this question. This question for Emily. Okay? What is simple present continuous? What is simple present continuous? Emily, time is yours. Give your answer about simple present continuous. Okay.
Simple present continuous is activity that we are doing right now. Is it
Right.
true, ma'am?
That's
About
true.
my answer?
How about the example interrogative about simple present continuous? What verb will you use?
I will
Sleep.
use verb sleep. Was I sleeping
Okay.
in my parents'
Emily,
room?
oh my god. This is simple present continuous. What is the to be of simple present continuous? Was and were. Are you
Was
really?
and
Are you
were.
sure? Are you sure? Oh my god, guys. No, Emily. Simple present continuous. The to be is am, are, and is. That's the to be about simple present continuous. Okay, repeat.
Sorry, ma'am. Then my answer
Alright,
is
that's
she
true.
sleeping in the living room?
Is she sleeping in the living room? Yes. This is the true. Not use was and were, but use am, are, and is. Okay. For the second question, I will choose Shayna. So, what's the question for Shayna? What tenses that explain about daily activity? What tenses explain about daily activity? Yeah, simple present explain
Simple
about daily
present.
activity. It's like our habit every day. Then give the example for negative pattern in simple past. Alright, negative pattern from simple past. What verb are you gonna use?
I will
Try.
use drive.
Try. Okay, let's make an example of negative with the verb drive.
I didn't drive
Yeah,
a car.
but you know,
And then the verb to drive is drove, is right?
True. True. Drive, drove, driven. True. Alright, for the last is I chose. Can you explain what is simple past? What is simple past, Aichel?
Simple past is activity
Alright,
done
alright.
before.
That's true. Then give example for positive, negative, and interrogative in simple present. What is your verb? Love. Okay, give the example of simple present with the verb love. Yes, that's true. They love cats. They don't love cats. And do they love cats? Okay, I think you understand really well about tenses. So for the next is who will explain about the first tenses. Sorry. The first tense is present. The first tense is simple present. And up to past continuous. Who can explain the simple present in past continuous? Two students, and I will give you score 100 score for your middle exam. You will get 100 score in your middle exam, and you have not do your middle exam in the class. It is clear when you explain about simple present up to past continuous. We'll try it. I will write your name here. Raise your hand, guys. Okay, I will waiting or I will choose you. Oh,
Laura will try, ma'am.
Laura. Okay, you can explain this simple present up to past continuous. Laura.
Alright, simple present is daily activity. Simple present continuous is activity that we doing right now. Simple
For the
past is
simple
activity that we done, and past
present,
continuous activity
continuous
we
simple past,
was
past
doing
continuous.
yesterday.
You have to use different verb. For the first, what verb did you use? What verb will you use? Read.
Read.
You explain what is simple present and you give example, only one example about simple present and you use verb read. Alright? Okay. What is simple present?
Simple present is activity that we do every day, and the example
Okay.
read is like I
Oh,
read
For the
Quran every day.
second verb is play.
Play.
Oh my god. Play. Play verb simple present continuous.
Present continuous is activity that we doing right now, and the example of present continuous.
Yes, play.
We are playing football.
And the last is the third. Draw.
The third is draw.
Simple past. Draw gonna be like draw.
Draw.
Draw. Simple past. What is simple past?
Activity that we have done, and the example is
Alright,
play, draw
for the
a
last,
mountain.
what's your verb for the last? Sleep? What?
Sleep.
Past continuous. Sleep.
Past continuous is activity that we were done. For the example, my sister
Yes.
was
That is
sleeping in the
true.
living
Oh
room.
my god, Laura, you get 100 score for your middle exam. The second, who will explain the second? Let's go, guys. Time is money. Priscilla.
Priscilla will try, ma'am.
Priscilla. Okay. You make an example about simple present up to past continuous. For the example is positive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, same like Laura. What is your verb about simple present? Cut.
The verb is
Okay.
cut.
Cut. Simple present.
You cut a paper. You don't
Alright,
cut
cut.
a paper. Do
That's
you
true.
cut
For
paper?
the second is simple present continuous. What verb will you use? Walk.
I will use walk.
Please. No. Don't use I again.
I walk.
Use other subject. Okay, they.
They, ma'am. They are walking in the park.
Okay,
They are
for the
walking
third
in the park. Are they
Is
walking in the
simple
park?
past. For the verb. Cool. Okay, cool.
Cook, ma'am.
Cool. My mother
My My mother cooked fried rice. My mother didn't cook fried rice. Did my
Alright.
mother cook fried rice?
Still really nice, guys. For the last, what's verb?
I will use verb sit.
Sit for past continuous. We sit.
We were sitting in the class.
We were sitting.
We were not sitting in the class. Were we sitting in the class?
Okay. Enough. You got 100 score like Laura. Enough, guys, for you. Thank you. And then for the last, I will evaluate before I go. I will evaluate for the first tenses and then the end tenses. Actually, tenses there are 24 or 16 tenses that we have to know and we have to learn, because it is really important for our speak, our writing, reading, and when we talk in native speaker. So, what is simple present? Simple present is for daily activity. It's like habit that we do every day. And then what is simple present continuous? Simple present continuous is activity that we do right now. It's like teaching and talking, walking, drawing, writing. This is the verb about simple present continuous. What is simple past? Actually, guys, simple past is activity that we have done in the past before. I mean, like yesterday, last night, last morning, and then 2 days ago, 2 months ago, maybe. What is the verb about simple past? The example verb is spoke, and then walk, cut, sit, and then ate, drunk, and you can find your dictionary, guys. So for the last tenses is past continuous. What is past continuous? Past continuous is the activity that we are doing yesterday. We are doing in the past time. It's like I was talking when I on the class. I was talking, and then I was walking. I was sleeping last night. It's like past continuous. Alright, I think that's enough about the material grammar tenses today. Then before I go, I want you to sing for the first tenses, that is simple present up to past continuous. Do you remember about my example before? Alright, let's sing. 1, 2, 3. I speak English. I don't speak English. Do I speak English? I'm speaking English. I'm not speaking English. Am I speaking English? Simple past. I spoke English. I didn't speak English. Did I speak English? Past continuous. I was speaking English. I was not speaking English. Was I speaking English? Alright, guys, thank you very much. Before I end this lesson, this class, I will call you one by one for attendance. There are how many students here? 15? Alright, 15 students. Wait, I will look for. Wait. Yeah, that's my book for your attendance, guys. Okay, for the first. Sorry. Alaina. Present.
Yes, ma'am.
Almira. Present. Betty.
Yes, ma'am.
Present.
Present, ma'am.
Chika. Present. Cherry.
Present.
Devi.
Present.
Rona.
Yes,
Miwa.
ma'am. Rona here.
Priscilla.
Present, ma'am.
Laura.
Present.
Emily.
Present. Yes, Emily.
Aichol. Wait.
Present, ma'am.
Aichol. Then Perry.
Present.
Severa.
Present, ma'am.
Seina.
Yes,
Alright,
ma'am.
guys. Thank you very much for your attention. And before we close this activity, we have to say Hamdallah together. 1, 2, 3. Before we close an activity, we have to say Hamdallah. We have to say Hamdallah. An activity, we have to say Hamdallah. Before we close an activity, before we close an activity, we have to say Hamdallah. Thank you guys for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.